by 3 days grace?
Pain? Maybe.
So there are such lyrics as, I'd rather have pain, I'd rather feel pain than nothing at all.
Yeah. In general it is, but if you are swallowed by routine, so sometimes it's good to feel nothing.
Okay. Yeah, I agree with you there.
Not always, but sometimes.
Sometimes, yes, I'm sure. So, how's your prayer going? Have you finished the whole
in general yes, but it is left to refurnish this room and begin new.
Begin new? What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm going to repair my kitchen and my
the new room. Okay.
Yeah.
So, well, at least you've done something.
Yes. Actually, it was quite good because I did everything as I planned. Not always it's possible.
Yeah, I'm sure. So, are you pleased with the outcome?
Yes, I'm fairly pleased.
What about your wife? Is she pleased as well?
Oh, I think yes, but I never asked her opinion.
Why?
Because she actually she couldn't express it in an attractive manner.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, because for example, we have two sons. The elder one, he acts like his mother, so I don't like to present him something. I don't like to do something good for him. But the youngest one, he's so alive and he acts vival.
Vivacious, I think.
Yeah. So
Vivacity.
and actually, it's really good even for me to present him something interesting, to do something good for him, because I get pleasure from seeing his reaction. But if they react, ring with diamond, so nice.
I'll never show you anything again. Yeah, vivacious, the things. Energetic and enthusiastic. Vivacious. That was vivacious.